and Kymberlee, and
welcome to Pastella Babes.
So today we're going to be making some Nutter Butter cookies. Homemade Nutter Butter cookies. Going to be so much fun.
Yes, so let's go.
So hi, we are in our kitchen now, in a little corner of our kitchen, and this is where we're going to, bake. So we have our recipe printed out. It's from, I think it's from the Little Blog of Vegan. No, it's from Veggiekin's blog. So I will put a link in the bio if you want to make them. But they're 3-ingredient healthy Nutter Butter cookies. So ready to do this?
Yes.
Okay. First, we are going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and it's going to beep at me whenever it's done preheating. That way I'm going to go ahead and grab a bowl and get started. Okay, so I just grabbed a bowl, and we are going to go ahead and get started. So while we make these, we're going to not really focus on making them so much because it's not like our recipe, so that's not the thing. The thing is we're going to be talking about different subjects. So, Zoe, what have you been doing recently?
I don't know. I had Zoom classes and school.
What kind of Zoom classes?
Just rehearsal and ballet.
I had not a Zoom, but a Skype class this morning. And then I did a lot of school and worked on my puzzle a little bit, which I should show soon on the channel. We're gonna put half a cup of peanut butter in right now, which I didn't get a thing to do that. And
I'm not a good cook. I try cooking, but like I only cook things without like the oven or something. Like I cooked, like I think it was yesterday. No, 2 days ago I think it was, or it was Sunday. Yeah, it was Sunday.
it smells very
good. I don't remember when it was, but I cooked
We have pink measuring cups, so matches our kind of pink vibe on the channel.
Yeah, my favorite color is pink.
Really?
We recently got, yes. You didn't know that? Yeah.
Actually, I can tell.
It's pink.
I really like pink. It's not my favorite,
My
though.
nails are pink.
Okay, my nails are blue. But,
I recently got like bedding that was pink. Well, if you go
well,
to
it was in the video.
Yes.
It's
you
really
guys
cute.
can
It
see
looks like a skirt.
Yes, it's really. It's like
Okay, so
puffy
now
and
I'm
stuff.
taking the peanut butter and putting it in the bowl. My least favorite part about making like desserts or anything with peanut butter is that the peanut butter is really hard to get in the measuring cup to me and then get out of the measuring cup. So because it's like sticky and I just don't like doing it.
I don't cook. I maybe should start cooking more. Have the cooking guide
Okay,
in me.
so now we're gonna get a 1/3 cup of maple syrup. So Zoe, go ahead and find a 1/3 of a cup. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a spoon. You dropped it.
Clumsy me! Ow! Okay.
She just
Sorry.
fell down.
Clumsy me!
There is not, hold on, I gotta go grab a spoon from over there, unfortunately. That's not a 1/3 of a cup.
I know, I just dropped it.
Some of them are gray, and then we have like this light pink, and then we have, they were like on clearance at Target. So I saw them and I thought they were super cute. And we have like this ice tray to match it. There were blue ones too, but I mean, that would have been my choice.
My favorite color is the pink ones. That's my favorite color pink. I like these, like, these have like more red though. They're pink though too. I don't know.
That one. Grab that.
Fine.
She's dropping everything. That's not funny.
How many did you take? Because I barely have any. Or how many did I drop?
Okay, now that's inside. Now we just have peanut butter and maple syrup in there. and we have to make some oat flour. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video, make the oat flour, and then we're gonna sift it in.
Taking a pause due to tornado sirens. So Zoe is, but we are in the clear. I'm just posting a photo on Instagram for an art challenge. Actually, I vlogged about this my last vlog. I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna continue. I'm gonna wash my hands, and we're gonna continue working on the nutter butters.
Okay, so Zoe, we decided to double the recipe just because it didn't look like it was gonna make a lot of cookies for everyone in the family, and of course we need to include everyone in the family. So we decided to kind of double the recipe. Now Zoe is mixing together, and I have the oat flour right here. Zoe, my mom just put it together. Thank you so much, Mom. I know you're watching this, so thank you so much. And just put it in the food processor. You just like blend up, or not blend up, but put them in the fruit processor. I guess that's kind of blending up.
And there's probably
to
like
make
some
oat
way
flour.
There's probably some way online that they can show you, maybe.
Well, I mean, it's simple. You just blend up your oats in the food processor to
Yeah.
make oat flour. Because it's not, you don't actually use flour, you use oat flour instead. Need some help? It looks so yummy, guys. It smells so yummy. I was telling my mom it smells like Nutter butter. She's like, of course, because it's peanut butter, but Nutter butter, it just smells different. Nutter butter is like my favorite cookie. I'm gonna gather all this together. Oh! So we just got out from being in our little safety shelter tornado area. And it's been the first tornado of the season.
And the last, hopefully.
Yeah. It was crazy last year. But
Yeah.
okay.
We had, last year I remember, we had to wake up like early in the morning and I really didn't want to get up because I was sleepy.
So that added
And
a little fun to our video that we weren't
Yeah.
expecting.
I think that it was like the weekend too.
We were supposed to sift it in. Oh, I read that, but then I was like, ugh. Well, this is real life cooking, guys. That's why the texture is kind of like that. But we can't sift it in now. That stinks. Okay, well, if we didn't sift it, what were we supposed to do? Are we supposed to add the vanilla extract and baking powder now?
Put one of these in here.
I made a little dance while you were trying to pick out your thing.
Okay. Now hold that, and I'm gonna pour in the vanilla extract. With the same thing, because both of them are a teaspoon.
Dance with me.
No, I can't dance. Hold that still. You can't dance and do that. Okay, now mix that together. Okay, you're dancing more than stirring, and we're not gonna get this done. Okay, so we're gonna put these on the pan, and I'm not gonna record us putting them on the pan because it will take a while.
The first batch in the oven. I was thinking that it would be best for us to just kind of post the finished project of the cookies because we have to like fill them with peanut butter and let them completely cool, and it's getting kind of late, so I'm just gonna record or take a photo of the finished project and put that up next after this slide, and go ahead and close out this video. Hope you enjoy.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye!
Bye.